Which of the following rays particles will not show deflection from their path on passing through an electric field? Proton, cathode rays, electron, neutron. எந்த ரே வந்து பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் டிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் தெரியாது பாத்தில் பாசிங் த்ரூ எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்டு போகும்போது விச் வில் நாட் ஷோ எனி டிவியேஷன் deflection which will not show. Neutron will not show any deflection from their path on passing through an electric field because neutron is neutral. Neutron is neutral ஆகிறதுனால deflection தெரியாது. Chargeless, so no interaction of electric field with the neutron occur. Chargeless இருக்கு neutron, so interaction of electric field with the neutron occur. No interaction ஏற்படாது. An atom having mass number 13 has 7 neutrons. What is the atomic number of the atom? Mass number 13 இருக்கு, neutrons 7 இருக்கு. Atomic number என்ன? Carbon atoms with 7 neutrons have mass number of 13. 6 protons plus 7 neutrons is equal to 13. So atomic number of atom will be 6. These atom are the isotope of carbon called carbon 13. Carbon atoms with 7 neutrons have mass number of 13. 6 protons plus 7 neutrons is equal to 13. So atomic number of atom will be 6. These atoms are the isotope of carbon called carbon 13. What do you mean by valence electrons? Valence electrons na enna? The outermost shell of any atom is known as valence shell, and electrons present in the shell are known as valence electrons. Outermost shell la irukra atoms valence shell nu solrom. Electrons present in the shell are known as valence electrons. Carbon atomic number Z is equal to 6. Electronic configuration K2L4. L shell of the valence shell and the 4 electrons present in the shell are valence electrons. What are the alpha particles? Alpha particles are doubly positive charged helium ion. Doubly positive, 2 மடங்கு charged helium ions, He plus 2, each having 2 protons and 2 neutrons bound together into particle identical to helium nucleus. Alpha particle He power plus 2. Why some atoms show radioactivity? Yes, சில atoms radioactivity காமிக்குது. When the number of neutrons exceeds the number of protons in the nucleus of atom. ஒரு ஆட்டமோட நியூக்ளியஸில் number of neutrons exceeds number of protons, it become unstable and shows radioactivity. Number of neutrons exceeds number of protons in nucleus of atom, it becomes unstable and shows radioactivity. For example, C base 6 power 12 has 6 proton and 6 neutrons, so it is stable, while C base 6 power 14 has 6 protons and 8 neutrons is unstable and shows radioactivity. What does nucleon contains? Nucleon contains both protons and neutrons. Nucleon contains both protons and neutrons. Why Bohr's orbits are called stationary states? According to Bohr's theory, electrons revolve around the nucleus and they have fixed amount of energy. Bohr's theory prakaram, electron revolve around nucleus. They have fixed amount of energy. Thus they are called stationary states. Fixed energy இருக்கிறதுனால stationary states னு சொல்றோம். What is the reason behind fractional atomic mass? The reason behind the fractional atomic mass of elements are the different isotopes of element present in the nature. Different isotopes irukku. Most of the elements have more than one natural isotope having different masses. Since atomic mass of element is the average relative mass of all the natural isotopes of the element. The reason behind the fractional atomic masses of elements are the different isotopes. Isotopes different element present in nature. Most of the elements have more than one natural isotope having different masses. Since the atomic mass of element is the average relative mass of all natural isotopes of that element. The chlorine found in the exist as two isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37, in the ratio of 75% and 25% respectively. Isotope of mass 35 U will contribute 75%, whereas isotope of mass 37 U will contribute 25% of average atomic mass of chlorine. Average atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 35 into 75 plus 37 and 25 divided by 100. 2625 by 100 plus 925 by 100. 26.25 plus 9.25 is equal to 35.5 U. This average atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 U, that is in fraction. What are the difference between mass number and atomic number? The difference between mass number and atomic number is that mass number is always whole number because it is number of protons and neutrons, whereas atomic mass is mass of protons and neutrons compared to C12 atom. For example, mass number of hydrogen is 1, but its atomic mass is 1.008 U.